Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the next session. Today, we are going to discuss about Mindtree campus recruitment. So, these are the questions which are asked in 2020 Mindtree campus recruitment. And in this video, I will be just talking about the type of questions and what are all the different types of questions which have been already asked. So, from this, you can get an idea that what kind of questions will be asked and what are all the different types of topics which you should be prepared in order to crack the exam, right? So if you want the detailed answer for this one, then you can just comment below, and we have already uploaded the solutions, guys, and they are standalone videos, like 2-3 questions will be covered in one video. So this is and those are the videos which are of rarely of length 8 or 10 minutes. So you can just check our description. So we'll be leaving the link for all kind of questions, and also we have uploaded the coding questions which have been asked in the Mindtree. So you can just go through all those components which will be sufficient to crack any Mindtree campus, not only Mindtree, any IT campus. Okay, so I will just start with the first question. These are the total 15 questions, and these are the aptitude questions, guys, right? So in the number series given below, one particular number is wrong. Find out the wrong number in the series. So they have given some numbers and we need to find out the wrong number. Okay, 5, 10, 25, 70, 215, 610. Okay, so this is the first question. And after that, statement. Okay, so a low rate of investment in interest in fixed deposit rates would be affect the finance of the poor adversely. Analyze the statement given above and identify the impact assumption that can be made. So there are four options. You can see five. In fact, only the poor investment in FD, the rate of interest in FD do not affect the rich. So don't think that the blue one is the answer, guys. We have not ticked answer here. So for this, the answer will be in the description. You can just check. So the next question is, analyze the given image. So this is actually the blank one. Will meet his nephew Jake in August 1964 and remarked as follows: if only you were 7 years older, then I would be exactly 14 times your age. 10 years later, Will met Jake again. This time Will remarked that he would have been 4 times Jake's current age if Jake had been 7 years older. What was Jake's age in August 1970? So this is the next question. And you have worn one new set of clothes. So each day for the past 1 week, starting Monday morning, you have just enough clothes such that you have to wash your clothes on Sunday morning. On which day will your next wash day will be? Assume that you will start wearing the fresh set of clothes immediately after washing. And the next question is, a family of 4 owns maximum 2 motorbikes, 2 cars. If the family does not own any motorbikes, then they don't own any cars. If the above statement are true, then which of the following must be also true? If the family has one bike, then it has one car. If the family has one bike, then it has one or two cars. If the family has one car, then it has only one bike. If the family has one car, then it has two bikes. So we need to find out. And after that, consider the following statements. I go for a run only when I am bored. I am never bored when I am with friends. Whenever I go to the club, I take my friends. So based on these statements alone, which of the following can be definitely concluded? So there are four options. If I am bored, I go for the run. If I am bored, I go to my friends. I will go for a run when not with my friends. So I do not go for a run when I'm not bored. So third will be the answer anyway, but you can check in the description as well. So what is the next number in the series given below? 3, 15, 35 and 63. So you need to find out the next number. Many IT businesses of offices are located in tech parks with supermarkets and coffee shops inside it. If a tech park has more than 3 coffee shops, it has a gym. If the above statements are true, which of the following must be true? Tech parks with 7 coffee shops have gyms. Tech parks with 4 coffee shops do not have gyms. Only tech parks with gyms have security. All tech parks have gym. So next question. One of your friends come to you and asks you to complete his sentence. A tree is to paper as iron is to scissors. So that is and as there are limited number of seats in the hall. Every person seeking tickets to the stand-up show will only be given 3 tickets. Based on this statement alone and nothing else, which of the following conclusions follow? The organizers are not keen on selling the tickets. No one is interested in getting more than 5 tickets. So you need to answer this one as well. So these kind of questions are asking. Mr. X walks to a bakery and asks them for a birthday cake and provides them the following message. We may have been paired in heaven. I never would guess that, but I thank you for everything that you have done for me every day for the rest of my life. The baker asks Mr. X who this message is for and gets the response that he should read row wise to figure the answer for himself, because every punctuation sits next to a part of what she means to him in the message. So what is the cake meant for? So Mr. X wife, sister, mother and daughter. After that, John visits an island where there are 3 tribes. One that always tells the truth, one that always lies, and one that alternates between telling the truth and lying. The island has only 3 fruits: pineapple, orange, and kiwi. John met 3 people, A, B, and C, asked them what their favorite fruit is. I like pineapple, B likes orange, C likes orange, A likes kiwi. I like pineapple, A likes kiwi. If A, B, and C belong to different tribes and each like a different fruit, then who belongs to the tribe of truth tellers? Okay, so this is the last question, guys. Now pick out the different one among the following. So WYUAB TSRXY QPOUVOMNST. So we need to find out the one which is odd, so odd person out, right? So these kind of questions will be asked in the Mindtree campus recruitment. So if you want answer for these questions, then you can just check our description, guys. We have uploaded already the answer for this one, but they are in the set of 5 questions each video. So please do check all the videos for complete answers. Alright, so thank you guys, thanks for seeing this video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you are not still like the video, please do like, because we will be uploading these type of content continuously, and all the IT recruitments, upcoming drives, and any openings if we will be uploading in this video, so that you can get a notification. So please, thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.